guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am showing how I did this look. I recreated Kylie's campaign look. I thought it was cute. I thought I had like a lime green like outfit, but I don't. I had like the Grinch outfit, but it's hot, so I changed into this. I got the whole Grinch collection, like everything, so I'm gonna like go through everything so you guys can see. Kylie, if you're looking at this, I just want to say I love you, girl. Like, I support you, honeys. At the 21 collection, like I literally love Kylie. Like, I have so much of like Kylie stuff in here. Like, Kylie, we support you in this house. So anyways, besides me having an obsession with Kylie, yeah, I really liked the way that she had. I couldn't find it, so I found like the closest thing and I thought it was cute, period. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is this palette. I just want to say I really love the palette. Like, it's amazing. Love the shimmers. Like, I'm going to do more looks using this palette because I only use like one shade. Okay, I really love this palette. The shades are amazing. Let me show you the palette. The packaging itself is like really cute and everything. Like, look at this. You get a Grinch on the mirror, and then these are the shades right here. Literally obsessed. Like, I swatched them the other day and I was like, oh, Kylie did that. And it's everything, period. Next thing in here, the glosses. Look at the packaging. You could put this literally right on your tree. I'm not really putting up a tree this year. I'm probably gonna put like a mini one, so I'm gonna put these on there because it's so cute. I'm wearing the shade, the one I'm wearing on my lips right now is Snow Chapped, and it's so pretty. Let me take it out. In the next video, I'm gonna do like swatches of it. This is it. So pretty. Actually, I could swatch one of the lip glosses right now, actually, for you guys. It smells really good. All her lip glosses always smells good. Like, it has like a iridescent glitter, and I just love her glosses. It just smells so bomb. Like, this one is in the shade Sweet Like Candy Cane. And she looks like this. It has, it's pink with green glitters in them. You guys can't really see it. Like I said, I'm going to do like a whole another video of me doing swatches. Like, this one is just me like trying it, like me doing a look and then showing you the stuff I got. Then I got the lipstick set, which is so freaking cute. Like, look at this. I'm like obsessed. I could open up one of them so you guys can see it. If you hear snoring, it's my cat, and my cat is like sleeping. This one is called I Hate Christmas. Like, look at this packaging. Like, it's so cute. It looks like this. And you get a lot of product, I have to say, in her lipsticks. Like, that's why I love her lipsticks. You get a lot for your money. Okay, next thing will be her blush and highlighter. I have it on my face. You could barely see it, but I put a lot on. You can see the highlight more than the blush. The blush is in the shade Max the Reindeer, and it looks like this, which is so cute. And then this is the blush. It's like a reddish pink, I guess you could say, or like a pinkish with like gold glitter to it. It's really pretty. And then for the highlighter, it's the littlest of who's, which is really cute. And this is green instead of red, which I think is really cute. And then this is like a pinkish, how I explain it is like it looks really like a champagne to me, and it's like a pink like green glitter. You can somewhat see it, but it's really pretty. I think it works for every skin tone. I thought it was gonna be too light for me, but it actually works out. And I'm not that dark, but I think it works for every skin tone. Next is her liquid lipstick. The box is so freaking cute, and you like, if you was giving it to somebody, you could like sign it and stuff. I'm not giving it to nobody. And this says this is in the shade How the Grinch Stole Christmas. I wish she came out with a green lipstick. That would have been popping, but that's okay. This is the liquid lipstick. It's like a strawberry red. I thought it was like the other reds, but it's actually, I swatched all of them, the reds that I own from her, and this one is actually a little bit lighter and a little bit dark. And it's actually dark on me, so which is good because I thought it was gonna be too light. And this is what the pencil looks like. It's so cute. Like the packaging is just like A1, like literally so cute. Like even like look at the details. The details is everything, which I live for. Then you got these, what do you call these, like I guess like, oh, the shimmer eye glaze, which I love, which I have on my eyes on right now. This shade is called Little Grinch, and this is what I have on my eyes. So cute. It looks like this. And then let me take it out so you guys can see it. And it looks like this. It's so pretty. I can't wait to like, because I don't want this video to be long. That's why I'm going to separate it. Because this video is going to be like forever. So that's why I don't want to make it too long for you guys. And then this one's in the shade Stealing Christmas. Again, same packaging, red. And then, oh, you always get this little thing, safety thing to take off. And it's like a gold. Like a gold thing. Mine was like, it came like this, but I don't mind it. I mean, I'm still gonna use it. My friend was, so I mean, mine came like that. I'm not complaining because I'm still gonna use it either way. So product is product to me. Then I got the stick shadows, which look like this. Packaging, cute. And I'm gonna show you one of the sticks, which looks like, oh, I got red lipstick on it. I don't know how that even happened. So it looks like this with the Grinch face on it. And then I can show you like one of the shades. This is like a champagne pink type of shade, you know, which is so cute, which I'm excited to try out because I don't think she ever came out with stick shadows. I don't know, correct me, but I don't think she has that I know of. I think she came out with the liquid, like a liquid one, but not like a shadow stick. So can't wait to try that out. And then we got her eyeliner, which is a green liner. I actually swatched it yesterday and I actually loved it. And I actually love her eyeliners. I need to replace my black one. I have a black one from her, and I have a red one from her, and now I have a green one. Ooh. And they literally just look like this. It just says kyliner on it, and then on the bottom it's green. It says Kylie. It says Kylie Jenner, and it looks like, I don't know if you can see, it's like green. I can actually swatch this. I don't mind swatching this for you guys. It's like a dark green. So that's all of the stuff that I got in the box. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments down below. Like, share, subscribe. Make sure you guys really put on your notifications for the next video I'm gonna post, which will be the swatch video of everything on my skin tone. I'm gonna try to get my sister in it too, because she's a little lighter than me, so you guys can see like how the shades will look on both skin tones. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, because you're awesome. Bye guys.